Hey, it's Ryan with Parts Doctor, and today I'm going to show you to replace the Pulsator cap on the Samsung washer. We'll only need a flat blade screwdriver. Let's get started. If you have a missing or damaged Pulsator cap, it may cause your clothes to get damaged during the wash cycle. With the lid open, remove the Pulsator cap by inserting a flat blade screwdriver into this slot and prying out. If you need a new Pulsator cap, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you're searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. Now, reinstall the Pulsator cap by aligning and snapping back in place. With everything put back together, test the washer out to make sure that everything's working properly. So that's it for this video. If you have any tips or tricks of your own, let us know in the comments below. And if you like fixing things, please consider subscribing.